Join me as I put the powerful 200mm Havells Ventil Air DX exhaust fan to the test in my bathroom, kitchen and office to see just how well it really performs. Did you know that a good exhaust fan can reduce humidity levels by up to 50%? Let's talk about how the Havells Ventil Air DX can transform your space. In this video, you will discover the powerful features of the 200mm Havells Ventil Air DX exhaust fan and why it's perfect for your bathroom, kitchen or office. Many people struggle with excess moisture and odors in their living or working spaces, which can lead to discomfort and health issues. This video addresses this common problem. Explore the specifications of the Havells Ventil Air DX, including its energy efficiency, noise levels and design, and how these features make it an ideal choice for any environment. Reveal the unique selling points of the fan, such as its powerful motor and easy installation, showing how it stands out from competitors. Summarize the benefits of using the Havells Ventil Air DX exhaust fan, emphasizing how it enhances air quality and comfort in your space. If you found this information helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on home improvement tips and leave your thoughts in the comments below.